Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix TikTok upload video failed. So let's get started. As getting the app, and if you're trying to upload videos on TikTok, but it keeps showing that you can't do this, here the first thing we're going to do is to swipe from the right corner of your screen and turn off the Wi-Fi. Then turn on the cellular data because there might be some problem with the Wi-Fi, but the cellular data might be stronger. Now the next thing that we're going to do is to go in your settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Apps option. Here a list of options will appear, so choose the second option, Manage Apps. Now scroll all the way down and look for TikTok. Now we're going to clear TikTok cache, so tap on Clear Data, then hit Clear Cache. Now hit OK. So this is kind of refresh the app and delete if there is any kind of bugs or issues on the app. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.